Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have apple strudel. For lunch, we have corn dog. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have pancake on a stick. And for lunch, chicken sandwich. Announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Yesterday, we had 100% of the teachers posted their attendance. 100% of our teachers who were here posted attendance. Great job, teachers! Please make sure you have your PST documents for today's meeting. Copies this month, our copier costs have increased drastically. Please utilize Print Shop for most of your copying needs. Pre-planning is the key. If copier usage remains high this month, we'll have to cap the number of copies per month for each teacher. Late duty. Today is Miss Weaver, tomorrow Miss Washam, Thursday Miss Wolf, and Friday Miss Arch. Word of the day is perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around a figure. So if you start at one corner and walked all the way around the edges, that is the perimeter. So for this trapezoid, one side is 3 centimeters, two sides are 4 centimeters each, and 6 centimeters. So you would add up 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters to figure out the perimeter, or the distance around the figure. Important dates. Today we have PST. Tomorrow we have some special guests. The Sunnyside Theater play will be here. And we're going to have PD for the upper grades during extended PE time. And also the ESSER grant survey is due for those teachers and for parents. November 5th is wear jeans for those who complete the ESSER grant survey. November 10th, reading and math PLTs. November 11th, no school Veterans Day. November 12th is World Kindness Day, and the budget survey is due. November 18th, HMH representative visit, and November 22nd through 26th already is Thanksgiving break. AR superstars, we have a few of those this morning. Miss Heichman, Brooklyn Jackson, Jennifer Lynn, Miss Lankford's class, Gabriel Spillers, Miss Waller, DeLance Lynch, and Blaze Rich. Also, Miss Waller's class is at 100% of their goal already. Great job, Miss Waller's class. Miss Washam's class, Rowan Doe, Wolf, Naomi Howell, and Kingston McAlmon. Also, Miss Smith will be around with a cart this morning. Remember now that the library is open for circulation. Miss Smith will not be checking book boxes or book requests as frequently. If you come to get new books, please make sure that you bring your books from your classroom and turn those in. Also, you can only visit the library one time a day. You should take your time and read your book so that you remember what you read when you take your test. You are not allowed to use the book when you take the test. The answers come from your comprehension of what you read. Your test will be deleted if you are using the book to take them. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.